back to my channel. So for today's look, we're gonna, well, I wanted to do like a scar look, so yeah, and we might do something with this. I don't know, I just got it in the mail today, so it comes like this. So this does come with instructions. Well, it came like this. It just says to start using it, just simply open up, dip your brush or sponge into a very small amount of water and go. Okay, so I'll do my base makeup and then I'll be back. So I'm back and oh, here it is. So I was gonna show you guys how I'm doing my bronzer. So since we are going for like scar, we're gonna bronze heavily. Okay, I think that's bronzed enough. We just need to do the nose. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna go into the Wolfie Face Art and FX Essentials. So when you first get it, I bought mine off of Amazon. These will be moving around, so like you can put them however you want. Let's see, it won't go in. And they do have like little plastic on it. So yeah. So we're gonna be going into the black. So I don't have any water near me except this MAC Prep and Prime. So, where's the brushes? Oh, here they are. Maybe we'll do like not liner, eyeshadow first to see where we're going with that. So I'm gonna find a black really quick. Well, I know the James Charles has one, so we'll go into the James Charles palette. And we'll just get a fluffy brush. Now that we kind of have an idea of how we're gonna do it, we're gonna go into the face paint now. We'll take this brush, the flat one. We're gonna be taking a little bit of the white. Now we're gonna go into this brown. And we're gonna try and go over where we did the white strokes. Before I do the other eye, we'll go in with the liquid latex. Probably should have done that first. I like using like this little thing from the Anastasia. So we're gonna put some on the back of my hand, and we're gonna take some and carve out a scar. And then we're going to take some tissue. Might look a little weird, but as you keep on putting liquid latex, it'll start getting there. So I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera too, so I'll be back. So I did the other eye, and that feels dry, so we're just gonna leave that like how it is, because I'm not trying to freaking cut my eye off. We're gonna be going into a mixture of this brown and this red. Then we're just gonna outline the nose with black, and then we'll do a little bit of like the highlight in the nose next. We're gonna go into the brown paints. And we're gonna put it on our bottom lip. Now we're gonna go into the black for the upper lip. And then while we're in the black, we'll do little whiskers or the little dots. So I will be back with mascara. So I'll be back so we can put a little bit of stage blood on our scar, and then we'll be done. These aren't grills. I mean, you can say they are, but they're not. I just put some aluminum foil. But yeah. Now we're gonna go into our stage blood. I'm gonna be taking some with this paintbrush. So that's the end of the look. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. So that's the end of the video. See you guys in the next video.